This might be the year. I'll explain why. Take a look at this graphic. If you go back over the last 30 years, every 6 or 7 years or so, starting back in the 1990s, we've had a big snow event here in Baltimore. And by big, I mean 20 inches or more. Start in 1996. Remember the blizzard of 96? We had 26 inches. Then you go 6, 7 years ahead of that, 2003 in February, we had 26-inch snowfall. 6, 7 years ahead of that, the big winter of 2009-10. Who could forget that? Baltimore's snowiest winter. And the last one was back in 2016, 29.2 inches. That's the most snow we've ever recorded with one single snowstorm here in Baltimore. So that's over 10 years ago. So we're past due of that 6, 7 year cycle. So you might say we're due for a big snowstorm this winter. And it just so happened that Thursday last week, NOAA issued their first winter outlook for the next couple of months. Now this will change, of course, as we head into September or October, but this is their first look. Temperature-wise, they think most of the East Coast is going to be slightly above normal for the winter temperature-wise. That doesn't mean it won't be cold enough to snow. It just doesn't look like a brutally cold winter on the East Coast, which is fine. As far as precipitation goes, they think the best chance for above normal snowfall will be just west of Baltimore, back across the Ohio Valley. They have us in the normal range here for Baltimore. If that were to happen and verify, we'd wind up with between 18 and 20 inches of snow by the end of the winter. We'll keep an eye on it, see how it goes over the next couple of months, but that's NOAA's first outlook. And if you want to get a closer look at those maps, go to my X account.